Hi boys and girls, we're going to continue a little bit, only this time instead of using a place value chart, we're still looking at numbers and counting on with numbers a little bit, and we're going to use number lines. And I know you probably used number lines in first grade, so this particular math tool is probably not new to you. So let's look at the number line, please, the one in front of you, and let's just read the numbers. We are going to use this number line to figure out the missing numbers, but let's go ahead and just read the ones that are, the numbers that are on our number line. Ready? Read with me, please. 243, 244, 245, 247, 248. Okay, so let's look at our number line, and let's look at the number 245. When we're looking at that number, we notice, there's a number missing on our number line. And so we want to find the missing number, and we do have a pattern on this number line. Turn to a neighbor and talk and see if you already figured out the pattern on my number line. I know you did, because this is an easy pattern and y'all did such a good job with number patterns earlier in our lessons. So let's look at this one, and I know that you notice that each time we read a number on our number line that it is going up by 1. The numbers are increasing by 1. And so when we look at the number 245, one more than 245 would be 246. And then we continue just to make sure, and the next number is 247. That is awesome. And another way to look at that is if we look at 247, then one less than 247 is 246. We're going to write that in our number line so you can see it. Thank you. Nice job. Now, again, notice when we're looking at our number line, if we can either look at it as one more, or we can look at it as one less. Now, let's look at a different number line. Notice on this number line, we have a different pattern in our number line. Let's say our numbers out loud that we do have on our number line to see if that will help us figure out the pattern. We have 721, 731, 751, 771, 781. Now, I bet some of you heard the pattern. Turn to a neighbor and tell them what you think. It's okay if you're wrong. It's just what you think. So turn to a neighbor and tell them what you think the pattern is on this number line. And then tell them why you think that's the pattern. Let's put our finger on 731. What is 721, 731. Oh, I bet you guessed it's adding 10 more. Oh my goodness, raise your right hand and pat yourself on the back if you got that right. You're adding 10 more. 10 more than 731 would be what, boys and girls? You're right, 741. Nice job. Now let's go look at our number almost all the way down, and we have 771. And let's think about, what is 10 less than 771? And if that's tricky and you're not sure, you can always check it by looking the other way and say, what's 10 more than 751? Either way should help you find the answer. And of course, the missing number on our number line is 761. Wow, I know you did a great job. And that's the fun way that you can use a number line to find the missing number in a pattern. Now, your teacher is going to give you some bonus number lines for you to practice in your math journal. So I can't wait for you to share those with each other. Good job.